Imagine a world where AI empowers every researcher to push the boundaries of human knowledge at a more fun process and at a faster speed. Welcome to the future of research with Paper AI. Now, as we can see from the chart on the left, from 2015 to 2023, annual research papers skyrocketed from 4 million to over 10 million. The chart on the right shows that in 2020 alone, reviewers spent more than 130 million hours, that's equivalent to 14,932 years, just reviewing research paper submissions. So why is this happening? Those problems were happening primarily because, firstly, the traditional research methods struggle to identify connections. Secondly, the literature reviews are increasingly time-consuming because of the voluminous research papers. And finally, the current tools available to researchers lack real-time collaboration and are unable to speed up for deeper comprehension capacity. Now, introducing to you the future of research, Paper AI, your AI-powered research companion. At Paper AI, we offer AI-powered platform with robust AI assistant and tools. We also provide real-time collaboration for researchers to collab, and we enable effortless review and citation so as to enhance the workflows for researchers and the users in general. Here's the results. With Paper AI, we are looking at a 50% decrease in literature review time, 30% improvement in research comprehension, and 200% increase in collaboration among researchers.
Here is the cutting-edge architecture of Paper AI. Our robust platform is built on agile models, ensuring secure AI ML API with 99% uptime and the seamless integration into any product ecosystem, and the most advanced AI voice models from 11 labs.
Now, let's see Paper AI in action.
Hey, what's up?
Hello, I'm here to help you with any questions or information you might need. How can I assist you today?
You know that I just found a very interesting research paper named Satopia Pi, Interactive Learning of Social Intelligent Language Agents. And in the abstract it says like, humans learn social skills through both imitation and social interaction. Could you explain it in very short?
Certainly. The research paper you're referring to explores how language-based agents, like conversational AI, can learn social skills in a manner similar to humans.
I got the idea.
Great! If you have any questions or need further information on your idea, feel free to ask.
Could you tell me, did I receive any reply from my coworker Wei? If yes, tell me her message in short and when I receive it.
Yes, you received a reply from Wei in response to your comment. Wei replied to your annotation with the following message: "It is very cool indeed. Assuming if a model is socially intelligent,
For our business model, Paper AI targets academic researchers and scholars, universities and educational institutions, R&D departments, and publishing houses and libraries, with an 80 to 85% profit margin and a competitive $6.66 monthly subscription. Our key value propositions include enhanced research comprehension, global community engagement, time and cost efficiency, and many more. We strategize to market Paper AI through partnerships with universities and educational institutions, SEO optimization, social media campaigns, and word-of-mouth advocacy. Paper AI aligns with several sustainable development goals by promoting innovation, fostering inclusive technologies, and enhancing accessibility. While not the primary focus, Paper AI contributes to broader efforts in driving sustainable progress and digital inclusion. And finally, here's our team. Our team consists of Ibrohim and Wei. Thank you very much for watching. We'd love to hear your feedback and explore collaboration opportunities.